If you're using a Garmin Forerunner, then you might be wondering how you can add, use or install YouTube music on it. Well, my name is Prakhar, you're watching Videoholic, and in this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to get YouTube music running on your Garmin Forerunner, Phoenix or Venu series, so that you can enjoy your favorite tracks right from your wrist. Now, obviously, you can only get YouTube music on your Garmin if it supports it. Here's a list of all the compatible Garmin watches. I'm using my Garmin Forerunner 265 for the demonstration, but the process to add YouTube music is similar across all Garmin watches, so you can follow along these steps. Make sure that your Garmin watch is connected with your smartphone and that you have a premium YouTube music account, because otherwise you won't be able to download songs on your Garmin. The first step is to install YouTube music on your Garmin watch. You can do that from the Connect IQ app on your smartphone or directly from the watch itself. To install it using the smartphone, just open the Garmin Connect IQ app. Go to search and open the music section. There, you'll find YouTube music. Just open it and tap on install. To do it from the watch, just open the settings menu and go to the music section. Tap on music providers, scroll down and select add music apps. From there, select YouTube music and install it from there. After installing, launch YouTube music on your Garmin. It will prompt you to log into your YouTube music account on your connected smartphone. Just enter the code from your watch to the smartphone and tap on continue. Now, select your YouTube music account, allow the permissions, and that's it. YouTube music is up and running on your Garmin smartwatch. Here, you have the library, music, and podcasts. Open library to access all your pre-made playlists. Just select any playlist to download it to your Garmin watch. Now, all you have to do is connect any Bluetooth earbuds and you can enjoy your favorite music offline. If you're having trouble installing or using YouTube music on your Garmin, then here are some things that you can try to fix the issue. Make sure that YouTube music is supported on your Garmin watch. Here's a list of all the compatible Garmin watches. Next, ensure that you have an active premium YouTube music account, because otherwise, you won't be able to install any music on your Garmin for offline listening. If your Garmin watch is running out of storage, then you won't be able to download any playlist on your watch. Make sure that your watch is properly synced with your smartphone during the setup process. You can also manually sync the watch by tapping on this icon. Ensure that both your Garmin watch and Connect IQ app are updated to the latest software. To learn how to update software on your Garmin, check out this video. If nothing seems to work, then there's only one thing left to do. Reset your Garmin and uninstall the IQ app. Then try again and hopefully that should do the trick. Alright, and with that, I'll wrap up this video. If you liked it, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Videoholic for more useful tutorials, reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.